Being in this room tonight means you're doing something right, and it's important to take a moment and appreciate how far you've come as a business owner. And for those who are nominated, recognition like this does not come from shortcuts. It comes from consistency. And the winner is...
I'm Charlie Bethel from Plus Construction and just won the Community Builder of the Year award.
Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Taffy.
And we just won
the Turnaround of the Year Award.
Hey, I'm Ryan Lermit, and I am the owner of Umbrella Property Services, and tonight I won the Leaders Circle Award of the Year.
My name's Blake.
And I'm Danny.
And this year we won the Implementer of the Year.
Hi there, my name is Kurt. I'm with the Beyond Group of Companies. Myself and my partner Kevin won Leader of the Year.
My name is Nick Cloutier, and I just won Entrepreneur of the Year.
The BTA community is a massive part of BTA as a whole and the BTA experience. For me and for so many others like me, it's the reason why we're here, the reason why we grow, and honestly, the reason why this thing is so much fun.
We had a really good BTA coach, Jason. He walked with us through all the difficult things that we had to go through. He asked the tough questions that we had to answer, which helped us focus to get through and navigate what we had to navigate. And that was probably the biggest thing that BTA helped us with.
And thank you to my BTA peers, you guys. You have provided me with so much perspective over the years. I am a better individual standing before you all today because of you. If you want more from this community, give more. A little risk goes a long way.
There's a journey that BTA has brought us through over the years that is really tried and true. So they said, hey, if you step into this journey with us, believe the practices, that there's something that will be seen on the other side. And we didn't know further down the road what that was gonna look like. And yet the joy is getting to step in on this side and be like, oh no, we actually did some things that were actually really fun.
Being an entrepreneur is pretty tough. It's like roaming in the jungle and being alone, trying to kind of fight the elements, figure things out on your own. Being able to actually be in a pact and be around other people that are experiencing the same things on the same journey is crazy good. And I don't understand how people can be an entrepreneur without having this type of accountability and this kind of support.
The trades aren't always glamorous. Most people don't see the early mornings or the late nights or the weather delays or the plans that change last minute. But we do work that matters. And I'm proud to be a part of the trades in these industries built on skill, grit, and showing up every day, no matter what.
One of the things I love about the BTA community is the brotherhood on how do we become better men and women in our lives. So it's not only the validation of how do we implement the system, but how do we holistically impact the individuals around us, and the encouragement, validation, and affirmation that inspires you to do more, to truly be who you're called to be, is what allowed us to fulfill the dreams and visions that we've had.